In this video, I will teach you about a new cryptocurrency with huge potential called RobotEra, and I will also teach you how to participate in their pre-sale. A quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get right into this video, and before we start, I do want to say that all the links you will need for RobotEra will be down in the description. So go check that out. There's the link to their website, which is robotera.io, but also to, for example, their Twitter, which I would definitely recommend you to check out as well. So what we'll do in this video is we'll go over the website, we'll go over the project, but we'll also talk about the pre-sale, which is going on right now, which is pre-sale 1. So you can actually buy it for, or you can buy the main token of RobotEra, TARO, T-A-R-O, for a really low price. And soon they're going to stage 2, where, for example, the price already increases by 25%. So we'll talk about that pre-sale as well, but first let's talk a little bit about RobotEra. So RobotEra is building a sandbox-like planet rebuilding metaverse, and you yourself within that entire metaverse will become a robot managing your own land. So RobotEra also uses the NFT technology and participating in the creation of the world. And you can also acquire resources from the land, create robot companions. More about those things a little bit later on as well. But here you can create everything you can imagine and start a new era with robots, RobotEra. So you can also check out the roadmap on their website. You can see what they have already done in 2022, and you can also see right now what they're doing. Obviously the private sale of the TARO token, which is going on right now, but they are doing amazing things. And their roadmap is something that is constantly evolutionizing, because they kind of basing their roadmap also on the development that they are making, but also what the community wants, which I think is a great thing. But for Q1 and Q2 of 2023, some great things are coming. For example, they are building the alpha version of the Metaverse Galaxy, and they are introducing more gameplay. You can already find some of the gameplay and some of the things of within the metaverse of RobotEra in the white paper. We'll talk about that a little bit later, but for now let's talk a little bit more about RobotEra. So RobotEra, the project, has been featured in a lot of great news sources already, like Yahoo and Benzinga, but way more than that. So there's quite a big chance that you have already heard about it. And apart from that, something I think is very important when we talk about these pre-sales is if it's actually valid, if it's actually reliable. So what you can see is that the contract code has been fully audited by the SharkTeam and is completely guaranteed and safe. And the project and the team itself is also verified by CoinSniper. So the team behind it is also verified. You can also find out more about the team if you want to right here. Now, sometimes when we talk about these metaverses and you see these people in the metaverse, that's a red flag, but here you can actually also check them out on LinkedIn. So there's nothing to worry about. You can check them out. You can see if you like the people. I think they have a really competent team, so it's definitely not something to worry about in my opinion. Now, if you really want to go into depth, in a moment we will talk about the pre-sale as well and how you can participate in that. But if you really want to go into depth on the RobotEra metaverse, what you want to do is on their website, and again, all the links will be down in the description, you go to the white paper. If you click there, you come to docs.robotera.io, and here you can actually find out more about RobotEra and everything that they want to do and the history around it. So you can read the story, for example, the history of the planet called TARO. That's also where the token name comes from. But you can also learn more about the robots. There you can see some in-game or in-metaverse footage, robot companions, different continents within the RobotEra metaverse, but also more of the lore really around the project, like the central city, the belief in the sacred tree, and the goal of the team itself. Apart from that, also some gameplay features like the DAO governance and earning while playing, because that is also part of the project and product. And you can learn some more about RobotEra NFTs, for example, because as I said earlier as well, they are using that NFT technology, the editor and the marketplace. So this is definitely something, and here you can also still see the roadmap, what they're going to do in 2023 and still for the last month of 2022, but also how to earn income. As I said, there are a lot of ways in which you can actually earn income in RobotEra, and some of the tokenomics of the TARO utility token, which I would definitely recommend you to check that out as well. So that's the white paper. Now let's talk about the most important thing around RobotEra right now, and that is the pre-sale. As you can see right here, and I'm trying to show you as well as possible, right now we're in pre-sale number 1 of RobotEra. And right now you can buy 1 TARO for 2 cents, 0.02 USDT. It's ending soon and the price will increase to 2.5 cents. As I said earlier, 25% increase. They have already raised over $300,000 and it's actually very easy to buy TARO and to participate in this pre-sale. What you want to do, and there's a full guide on their website, website as well if you scroll down a little bit more. So again, if you want to check that out, or if you want to review that after this video, the link of the website is down in the description. But for now, if you actually want to buy TARO, the first thing you will need to do is right here, where there's now buy TARO with USDT or with ETH, you will need to connect your wallet. I would prefer the MetaMask wallet, but you can also choose some different ways in which you can actually connect a different wallet. And then what you can do is you can actually buy TARO with USDT. TARO is a token based on the Ethereum blockchain. So if you have USDT or Ethereum on the Ethereum blockchain in your wallet, you can actually buy it that easily. You just click here, you can press how much TARO you want to pay. So for example, if I want to pay with USDT and I want to buy 10,000 TARO, you will see that it costs 200 USDT, which 100% is correct if you do the math. Then you just do approve. You will need to confirm it in the wallet and you have bought your TARO. So that's actually how you can participate in the pre-sale and how you can buy the token of a project that is launching soon with huge potential. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed and subscribe to our channel.